my name is Gala. In my video, I'm going to share how to turn gift bag into purse gift bag. In my video, I'm using bag 12 by 10 inches, but you can use any size. I folded the bag in half to make guide where I need to cut. The piece of bag what I cut off, I'm going to use too. I fold the top 1 inch from the cut to make place where I attach my purse handle. Fold the top and glue with very strong glue. I cut the ribbon which will be holding the top of my purse. I glue it together and decorate with the bow. I attach it with glue and secure it with stapler. We can leave purse as is, but I'm going to make additional handle. Glue it and secure by stapler. If you like my video, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching.